Nutrient-packed foods to clean your arteries. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the latest and greatest tips on living a healthier life. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, how to clean out your arteries with just one amazing meal. That's right, we're talking about a delicious, heart-healthy meal that can make a real difference in your cardiovascular health. So, let's get started. Why this matters. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death globally, claiming an estimated 17.9 million lives each year, according to the World Health Organization. Clogged arteries can lead to serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. But the good news is, you can help clean your arteries and improve your heart health through diet. Today, we'll explore one specific meal that can help you do just that. Understanding arterial health. First, let's understand what we mean by cleaning out your arteries. Over time, plaque, which is made up of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances, can build up in your arteries, making them narrow and hard. This condition is known as atherosclerosis. It can restrict blood flow and lead to heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. But don't worry, there are foods known for their artery-cleansing properties. These foods are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and other nutrients that can help reduce plaque buildup and improve overall heart health. The super meal components. Now, let's talk about the star of today's show, the best meal to clean out your arteries. This meal is a Mediterranean-inspired salad with ingredients known for their heart-healthy benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1. Leafy greens, spinach or kale. High in nitrates which can reduce blood pressure and improve arterial function. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as iron and calcium, all of which contribute to overall health. 2. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Tomatoes also provide a good source of vitamin C and potassium, which are essential for heart health. 3. Avocado, loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that can reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Avocados also contain fiber, potassium, and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and promote heart health. 4. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds. Great sources of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Nuts and seeds also provide protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 5. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to reduce oxidative stress and improve heart health. 6. Legumes, chickpeas or lentils, are high in soluble fiber and can help lower cholesterol. Legumes are also a good source of plant-based protein, iron, and folate, making them excellent for overall nutrition. 7. Fatty fish, salmon or mackerel, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce inflammation and lower triglycerides. Fatty fish are also rich in vitamin D and selenium, both of which are important for heart health. 8. Berries, blueberries or strawberries, high in antioxidants which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to a heart-healthy diet. 9. Garlic, known for its ability to lower blood pressure and reduce arterial plaque buildup. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to improve blood vessel health and reduce cholesterol. 10. Whole grains, quinoa or barley, excellent sources of fiber and nutrients that support heart health. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals essential for cardiovascular well-being. Preparing the meal. Let's put this meal together. It's super easy and only takes about 20 minutes. 1. Base. Start with a generous handful of leafy greens. You can use a mix of spinach and kale for added variety and nutrient density. 2. Add protein. Toss in half a cup of cooked quinoa and a portion of grilled salmon. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Grilled salmon not only provides protein but also omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. 3. Color and texture. Add diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, and a handful of berries. These ingredients not only make your salad colorful and visually appealing, but also add a range of flavors and textures that make the meal satisfying. 4. Crunch factor. Sprinkle some nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds add a delightful crunch and are packed with heart-healthy nutrients. 5. Flavor boost. Add minced garlic and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. The garlic adds a pungent, savory flavor, while the olive oil provides a rich, smooth texture and enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 6. Mix it up. Finally, mix everything well and your heart-healthy meal is ready to serve. Ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed so that each bite is packed with nutrition and flavor. The science behind the meal. Let's break down why this meal is so effective. Leafy greens. Studies have shown that nitrates in leafy greens can help widen blood vessels, reducing blood pressure. The high content of vitamins and minerals also supports overall cardiovascular health. Tomatoes and berries. Antioxidants like lycopene and anthocyanins can help reduce inflammation and prevent plaque formation. These compounds neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Avocado and olive oil. Monounsaturated fats are crucial for lowering bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol levels. These healthy fats also help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Fatty fish and nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their heart protective effects, including reducing triglycerides, lowering blood pressure, and decreasing the risk of heart arrhythmias. Whole grains and legumes. The soluble fiber in these foods can bind cholesterol in your digestive system, helping to remove it from your body. This process helps lower overall cholesterol levels and supports digestive health. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your arterial health. Not only do they help reduce plaque buildup, but they also provide essential nutrients that support overall cardiovascular function. Conclusion. There you have it. One of the best meals you can eat to help clean out your arteries and support your heart health. Remember, consistency is key. Making this meal a regular part of your diet, along with other healthy lifestyle choices, can lead to long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more information on heart-healthy diets and tips on how to improve your overall well-being, check out the links in the description below. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.